Other customers, large tech companies, they're building out their own data centers. So they're not sharing space within a colo facility. They're just building out their own specialized data centers. And, I think in those types of environments, we're typically we're designing structured cabling systems to connect their core network infrastructure to their network switches, maybe top of rack switches that are, out in the different rows. We've built out data center spaces and computer rooms with, 700-800 cabinets. And, 700-800 cabinets are basically server racks. And those server racks are over 6 feet tall, and they're loaded with high performance servers with connectivity. A lot of times it's connectivity at the top of the cabinet. So you have like Cat6 or fiber optic cabling that's connecting to a top of rack network switch. That top of rack network switch may be then connected through high performance fiber optic cabling to a core switch, which is a much larger switch that may take up, half of a rack. It may be 3-4 feet tall. And obviously those systems are built for high availability. So there's usually redundant core networks there.